Okay, for the elastic bind off, we're going to knit our first 2 stitches off, and then we're going to slide them back to our left hand needle purlwise. Then to finish that off, we're going to knit through the back loops of both those stitches. So knit 2 together through the back loop, slide that off. We're going to repeat that, so we're going to knit 1 stitch, so we have 2 on our right hand needle, slide them purlwise to our left hand needle, then take those 2 to the back loop and knit together and off. So we're going to continue that all the way across. Knit, slide purlwise, go into the back loop, knit 2 together, unless you lose your yarn. Whenever I do that, I always lose it multiple times. And then I'm all paranoid. I'm paranoid now, I can't get through. Hold on. Here we go. Okay. I worked a couple more, and one thing you can probably notice is that your needle's already in there when you're sliding purlwise. You're already in the back loop. So you can just go ahead and finish that off without having to slide off and enter back in. Either way is fine. That is the elastic bind off super fast stitch refresher from Knit. Well, not from me, I'm just showing you. I'm Knit. What am I? I'm Deja from Knit and Crochet over after.com, and thank you for watching.